Statistics is a branch of applied mathematics relating to the collection, description, analysis, and etymology of conclusion from data. Statistic mathematical theories rely heavily on differential and integral calculus, linear algebra, and probability theory. People who do statistics are particularly effective in discovering how to draw reliable conclusions about large groups and general events from the behavior and other observable characteristics of small samples. Objective of the study: to come to know about the respondent backgrounds, to analyze how far respondents' interest toward statistics, to clarify respondent view on statistics. Method of analysis. For our research, the method of data analysis that we used was questionnaire method. Statistical tools that we use are Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. The pie chart shows the gender of foundation students. From the pie chart, we can see that female students have the highest frequency, which is 84%, while male students with 60%. The mode of the gender is female students.
The bar chart shows the race of foundation students. From the bar chart above, we can see that Malay students have the highest frequency with 131 students, while others with 2. The mode of the race is Malay student. From the bar chart shows the percentage of foundation students' state of origin. From the bar chart above, we can see that most of the students are from Kedah with 33 students, meanwhile the list is from Sabah with 1 student. The mode of state of origin is from Kedah student. Pie chart shows the hometown of foundation students. From the pie chart above, we can see that most of the students are from urban area with 63% and the rest is from rural area with 37%. The mode of hometown is urban area. The bar chart shows the family income of foundation students. From the bar chart above, we can see that 37 students are from 10,001 ringgit and above group, and the list with 12 students are from 6,001 ringgit until 8,000 ringgit group. The mode is from 10,001 ringgit and above group.
There are 9 types of secondary school that were attended by the foundation students. According to the bar chart, SMK is the mode for the secondary school with the highest number of students attended, that is 78 students, while SMKJ and private school share the same least amount of students attended, which is 1 student. The data collected for this research is based on 5 attitudes, which are affective attitude, cognitive capability attitude, value attitude, interest attitude, and difficulty attitude.
From the bar chart, we can conclude that the highest total of between 52 to 55 students will agree that they like statistics and enjoy their statistics classes. As a result, the average mean towards affective attitude is between 4.56 to 4.44.
For cognitive capability attitude, the bar chart shows that the majority of students agree that they have the capability to understand statistics formula and have the capability to understand statistics. The bar graph also shows that there were 5 responses that disagree strongly with the questions given.
The bar chart shows us the highest result with 55 students out of 150 students who agree in towards value attitudes statistics courses. This means that the majority of students will use statistics for other purposes in their daily life. In addition, the data also give us the total range mean of agreement, which is 4.54 out of 6. Based on the bar chart, the respondent shows us that the majority students will agree to have their interest attitudes towards statistics courses. From the data given, the mode or the highest total of students who agree in these statements are an average total of 57 students to 64 students, which includes both questions from the survey. Meanwhile, the range mean based on the agreement from the students are between 4.45 to 4.59.
According to the bar chart above, most of the foundation students agree very strongly that they have the attitude in putting effort into their statistics studies. This also shows that most of the students are willing to work hard in their statistics studies. Besides,
The bar chart also shows that one respondent disagree very strongly that they have the intention to finish their statistic assignment.
From the given chart, we can conclude that the majority of students will argue in knowing the difficulty attitude towards learning statistics courses. From the bar chart also, the highest value answers in data are from question 13, in which it is total of 85 respondents within the students of foundation studies. However, in question 6, the majority were disagreeing with the statement given from the survey, which concluded with a total of 47 students who were disagreeing. Based on the data given, you can see many types of attitude statements that have been categorized with their types and calculated from the respondent of foundation study students. Before that, all 150 students were required to answer and give their honest opinion through writing of agreement followed by all specific questions from the different categories of attitude. As the result shown in the bar chart, we can conclude that the lowest total average of mean in the data is difficult attitude, which has gained a mean of 4.5 total of 6. Clearly, the difficult attitude statement is the lowest of mean among the 6 types of statements. We can also conclude that the points from this bar chart are none other than the effort attitude with a total of 4.11 for its range of mean, which is quite high. Thus, the effort attitude includes some of the important questions that made the students very agreeing towards the statement that was given. Based on the bar chart, the majority respondents of foundation study students would mostly agree towards statistics courses and noted that this type of chapter needs to be learned during our lesson. The report stated that a total of 51 out of 150 students are agreeing strongly in answering the question given. With that, we can conclude that more than half of the total students in foundation studies at Universiti Utara Malaysia are very likely to have statistics chapter as part of their study.
To conclude, Statistics course was benefiting more than it should be and brought a good attitude towards many foundation students in Universiti Utara Malaysia. The survey brings students their sincere opinion from their own point of view, and this can be proved by looking at the end of the result where the most agreeable answer was in the effort attitude towards statistics course.